We now welcome Carolyn Jones. She's with Restoration House Ministries, here to talk to us about the 1,000 strong, is it Expo?
Overcoming obstacles, 5K, 10K. Yeah, we get the name. We get it. Yeah, it's huge.
It's a big, big event.
Yeah, it is. And it's a very powerful event, which is why it needs to have a powerful name. It has to have a big, powerful name.
1,000 strong.
Overcoming obstacles. 5K, 10K.
We got it in the graphic.
Yeah,
Look at that. And it's got a 7 a.m. late registration. You can register early the day before, actually.
Please do.
At Restoration House Ministries Thrift Shop. That's on Moody Street.
Mm-hmm.
And then runners and the walkers start at 8 a.m. The obstacles, which we're going to get into, that starts at 8:15 a.m. And you can learn more at restorationhouseministries.org. But Carolyn, let's go in depth on these obstacles.
So right now we have 4 permanent built-in obstacles. We have an incline wall, a pressure wall, balance beams, and monkey bars. And I know monkey bars doesn't sound like a big deal, but let me tell you, they're at the end of the race. So once you've wiped yourself out and all the other things, you will not be thanking me for where I put the monkey bars. But they are sponsored by some great local sponsors. We've got long-term sponsor Burns Ranch, Formosa Plastics, St. Francis Episcopal Church, and then newest and so excited for Detar Health Center came on. So excited for them and what that's going to mean for this future partnership. And then our 2 top platinum sponsors, love to give a shout out to Small Business, American Shield Roofing and Construction, and HEB. You know you became something real when HEB sponsors you, right? We're legit.
Well, it's great to see businesses, community partners come out to support such an important event for a very meaningful organization.
Thank you.
Carolyn, tell us a little bit about what y'all do.
So Restoration House Ministries, we really are becoming like an umbrella, but it began as a residential program to help people with trauma heal. We've been doing it for women for the last 16 years. We are in the process of opening a home to do it for men. And of course the resale store gives away more than it sells, right? They're doing showers every day of the week for the homeless. And again, able to do a lot because the community donates and makes that possible.
Well, it's a big impact. I know that's a regular favorite for my thrift shopping friends.
Yeah, well, everything I'm wearing right now came from Gleanings. Like, I'm about it.
It's a great place, and it's a great cause as well. And I just want to thank you for coming on the share to share the info about the, I'm going to try it again, 1,000 strong overcoming obstacles. I'm cheating now. 5K, 10K. For Restoration House Ministries, and it's all at Patriot Park?
It is. So it's local. It's your local access, by the way, to a Tough Mudder feel. We call ourselves an entry-level Tough Mudder. And I'd be remiss if I didn't admit that like all of this is possible because of Jesus. Like that's why we've survived as this tiny little ministry. And that's what makes like our home powerful, is because we just envelop people in the love of Jesus, and it works.
Well, thank you so much, Carolyn. And coming up, don't go anywhere. We hear more from our guest here on Community Crossroads.